forsage today, it is the best decision. You will never regret of making this decision, because it is a business that it has no downside. It has no downside, no risk. It's not a game that you say I'm scared I can lose. It's not even mining that you say I don't know the strategy. So you don't just, all you need is just invest that $11, and you will see within 2 days your $11 will double, and you will see it, you will withdraw it immediately. And even if you withdraw the money invest, your money will still continue to grow. You can see what I'm saying. It is just good to join now. Join with our link and you will grow with us. Even if you don't do anything, we are laboring, we are working, we are inviting people, you will still be earning from our effort. The overflow, you see, I showed you one of the people that we brought in, that have not brought anybody, but you can see her income is already growing just within days. Do that today. Join with our referral link. It will be down this video. We will send it to you. You join our Telegram group as well, and be getting updates and all the informations you need to be successful on this forsage platform. Welcome. Thank you. Now, this is our master's ID. The master of our group. This is his ID. He's the one that invited me. I invited people. We keep inviting people, and this is the amount he has earned. He has earned just by investing in $10. He has earned 45,395 dollars. He only invested $10, and look at the amount he's having in his account now. $45,395. He only put $10. Imagine, look at it. Start this today. I tell you, will not regret it. Start it. He just did the right thing to see. On his downline, he has brought us, and we are bringing people. We are now under him is 163 people. 163 people, and is having $45,395 just by investing $10. Please try and register today. Forsage is just don't listen to anybody that is telling you it's a scam. It is not a scam. It is not a scam. I'm telling you the truth. Join us today and start making